Today, the National Weather Service issued a tornado warning for Mahanoy City in Schuylkill County due to severe weather conditions. The warning was prompted by reports of a rapidly forming tornado in the area. Residents are advised to seek immediate shelter and stay tuned to local weather updates. The tornado has the potential to cause significant damage, and emergency services are on high alert. The severe weather is expected to persist throughout the evening, with strong winds and heavy rainfall accompanying the tornado threat. Stay safe and follow all safety instructions issued by local authorities.